Technology is a part of our lives and it is the one which is going very fast, and as something develops, some misconceptions arrive, and those misconceptions make me to create a video like this. This was once a correct statement, but currently this is outdated. Nowadays, every smartphone comes with lithium ion batteries, and these are good enough to stop charging when a smartphone reaches 100%, leaving the smartphone or the battery no damage. So, you can charge your smartphone overnight and let it keep that, but it takes some current, but it does not cause any damage to that. Most of the people think that the more the megapixels, the better the quality of the image, but that's absolutely wrong. The quality of the image depends upon many more aspects, like the f number. For example, I think you had somebody saying f1.8 aperture or f2.3 aperture, so that is the f number, and the quality of the image also depends upon the size of the pixel. That is the most important than the number of pixels that it has. Now that you got an idea, while buying a smartphone, consider the f number and even the size of the pixel instead of focusing upon just megapixels. I hope you guys understand that. Let's get into the next point. This is amazingly wrong statement. It's too funny to believe too. The signal bars on your smartphone indicate the signal strength, not the service quality that you get. The same is applicable to Wi-Fi. You see full bars on the Wi-Fi logo, but you get very low speed data speed, because there are many people who use the Wi-Fi at the same time. Even if you stand next to the Wi-Fi router, you get very low speed. This is the reason. Let me give an example of network users. Now think that there are 10 members at your home and are using their smartphones, going online, chatting, video calling, voice calling, doing whatever they want. Then you two started to use your smartphone. You will see that there are full signal bars, but you get 0 kb per second. This is because there are more users connected to the same network, and the signal bars indicate the signal strength but not the quality of the network. I hope you guys understand, because this is the most important myth that is coming along from past few years. So I hope you guys understand. This is too shocking that when I come to know about this, I simply kept my smartphone aside and started using my computer. Now I came to know that as the myth and misconception. What I found is that there is no link between cell phone usage and cancer. 11-year-old long study is in UK concluded that despite exhaustive research, we have found no evidence of risk to health from the radio waves produced by mobile phones or their base stations. The study also said that more research was needed. So don't worry. Every device which is connected to internet or not even connected to internet get virus. There is no such device which can't get virus. Apple computers are too susceptible to virus. Mac computers won't get viruses very often because they are well built with than PCs. There was a Trojan affected thousands of Mac computers in 2012. This news proves that it's a myth. Now that brings to this end of this video, guys. If you guys enjoy this video or learn something new, then subscribe to our channel and smash the bell icon to never miss any of our new videos whenever uploaded. Share this video to your friends and families, and comment in the comment section below if you have any doubt regarding this video. Thank you once again. Take care, guys.